Time for your mind. I'm Kelton Martian, better known as the basketball himself. Me, Josh, gonna be out here, and Josh gonna be out here, and we're gonna do a little something in basketball. We're gonna show you how to really make crazy shots, y'all. And it goes a little something like this. For real, y'all, I'm telling y'all, we the best team. We the purple team. We love the orange team. We love the blue team. We love the red team. But we down with the purple team. Purple team.
Time for a change. New style, down, do your dance, do your we got a brand new dance. Down, do your dance, do your dance. Down, swing on that, do your dance. Down, do your dance, do your dance. New style, they say I'm a rapper, and I say no. They say what you doing, trying to do somebody cold. I just let the music come from my soul, so all of my people can stay on the floor. They got a brand new dance. You gotta move your muscle. A brand new dance. It's called a Cupid Shuffle. It don't matter if you're young or you're old. Here we go. We gon' show you how it goes. To the right, to the right, to the right, to the right, to the left, to the left, to the left, to the left. Now kick, now kick, now kick, now kick. Now walk it by yourself. Now walk it by yourself. Down, down, do your dance, do your dance. Yeah, yeah, yeah. Down, do your dance, do your dance. Let me see you do the Cupid. Down, do your dance, do your dance. Down, down, do your dance, do your dance. Yeah, yeah. Down, down, do your dance, do your dance. Let me see you do the Cupid. Down, do your dance, do the shuffle, baby. Yeah. Down, down, do your dance, do your dance. Down, down, do your dance, do your dance. To the right, to the right, to the right, to the right, to the left, to the left, to the left, to the left. Now kick, now kick, now kick, now kick. Now walk it by yourself. Now walk it by yourself. To the right, to the right, to the right, to the right, to the left, to the left, to the left, to the left. Now kick, now kick, now kick, now kick. Now walk it by yourself. Now walk it by yourself. Now you see what I'm talking about.
I'm 20 feet high right now. This is the highest hoop in the court. Like, everyone knows that. You can see like the sky, you see Jesus. All right. I call this awesomeness. Woo! Yeah! Yeah.
All right, y'all, that's my time, y'all.
Sorry. Unhelpable. Catch it from behind. Like, hold your hands up. I'm gonna try. Don't hit it. Like, hold your hands up like this. No, I don't trust you. The heck? Just go to grab it. No, you get up here and do that. No. From here. All right. From here. All right. I'll fall. I'm gonna. Hey, wait. No more! No! Stop doing it! Alright, I'm getting up. Don't throw the ball, Josh. I really don't trust people from New Iberia. What? I trust people from New York. No, that means I just passed this guy. Do it, go around. What? That was nice. Grab
your car on the court. What you not doing basketball? Jump on it. Just go.
I don't know.
Well, other videos got lost on the internet because of that guy. So we're trying to do this. Yeah, Josh, get your car. That'd be awesome.
We're not gonna tell nobody. Come on, Josh. Don't make me.
Whoa, that was good. That was good.
Don't videotape that. They're gonna ask whose car is that. Don't they post a winning video on
They're gonna show all of them.
That's good. Get right here.
Oh my god.
Get long.
This is gonna be funny.
get on that part, get on the side, right there. There we go. Hey, look. Now.
Record.
Now. Now jump off and hit hold on.
I'm not gonna do a break.
No, you're not. Just do it like for a couple seconds and just drop.
Hit your top.
That's not what I was talking
Come on, just bunny hop off.
Yeah.
The car needs to be like this.
Just keep playing.
Yeah.
Oh, did you get that?
Mm-hmm.
Down, down, do your dance. We got